Testosterone is not just a sex hormone, it describes who you are. So I am who I am because of my testosterone levels, and you are who you are as a male because of the testosterone level. So there's a huge research which went into it, and a lot of generalized symptoms of testosterone deficiency, for example, have led to the point where it cannot be overlooked. For example, a low testosterone can cause heart attack. Number two, another is where low testosterone has shown to raise the incidence of diabetes. Then we have low testosterone going with male characteristics being lost. Now that is a very common thing, but I'm talking about things which are in general depression. The low testosterone will cause depression as well. So in this program, we are going to be addressing under male health all these diseases which traditionally are not associated with testosterone, but testosterone has a very major role to play as a hormone. So I'll see you in the next videos.